Hey everyone, I'm Sourabh Bhatt. In this video, I'll talking about 3 amazing websites to learn Python programming. So do make sure you watch this video till the very end because in the end, I'm going to talk about an amazing website that will help you to learn any programming language. If you use your brain and logic, then you will be able to learn any programming language, whether it could be C, C++, Java, Rust, any programming language that exists in the world, you will be able to learn from that particular website only. So do make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, you all know Python has become very popular programming language. Python has won the prestigious TIOBE Programming Award of the Year second time in a row. Python has become very popular because of its ease of use. Python is now used by so many big companies, MNCs for their daily work, for building their machine learning models, data models, building APIs, recommendation systems, and a lot more work. So this is the reason that we must have knowledge in Python programming. So the very first place to learn Python programming is by Codecademy. I believe Codecademy has made it very simpler and easier to learn Python programming as a beginner. You can learn Python programming from Codecademy very easily. You will be able to feel that Python is a way more easier than any other programming language. I have shared the link of Codecademy in the description. When you click on that link and sign up on the Codecademy, you will be able to see this page. You will be able to do 12 projects, 12 lessons, and it's very friendly for any beginner. So you will be able to learn Hello World program. You will be able to write your first Hello World program. Then you will be able to learn control flow, lists, loops, functions, Python code challenge, strings, modules, dictionaries, files, classes, Python code challenge 2, next step. You will be able to create a basic foundation for you to learn Python programming. So if you are a beginner and searching for a resource to learn Python, then I personally suggest this website will help you in your programming journey. So do check it out. Guys, the link is given in the description. The second place to learn Python programming is by FreeCodeCamp. So you will be able to learn Python programming from scratch from a way easier manner than any other sites on the internet, and you will be able to get all your concepts of Python programming clear in a very one shot. I have provided the link of FreeCodeCamp in the description. When you click on that link, you will be able to redirect on Scientific Computing with Python on FreeCodeCamp's website. You will be able to create a very foundation level of Python programming. In this course, they are not starting from the Hello World program, they are starting from the actual fundamental of programming. In this course, you will be able to learn how actually computer program works. In this course, you will be able to learn why you should program, what is the actual hardware architecture of computer. Then you will be able to learn about the Python language, Python programming language. You will be able to learn about the history and the mystery behind Python programming language. Then the elements of Python, variables, expressions, statements in the Python programming. Then you will be able to learn the intermediate expressions. Then you will be able to learn more conditional structures. You will be able to learn intermediate strings, reading files as a sequence. You will be able to learn lists, tuples, sorting tuples. You will be able to do on some basic projects, and in this way you will be able to learn Python programming very easily. You will be able to get more knowledge in Python programming from this particular website only. I request you to do check it out. It will be very beneficial for you for your Python programming journey. The last but not least place to learn Python programming is by the official documentation of Python. As I told in the starting of the video, you will be able to learn any programming language from this website if you use your logic. What I mean to say that you can check all the documentation of all various programming language. You can check the documentation of C, C++, Java, Rust, Solidity. You will be able to learn about that particular programming language within some minutes, like within a half an hour. You will be able to understand the syntax of that programming language only after checking its documentation. So if you want to learn Python, then I personally suggest go with the actual documentation of Python. I have provided the link of actual documentation of Python. You can check it out from there. So once you click on the link given in the description, you will be able to redirect on the official documentation page of the Python programming. So on this page, you will be able to learn everything about the Python programming, its syntax and how Python program is being written, and you will be able to learn all the basic concepts of Python programming. You will be able to learn informal introduction to Python, using Python as a calculator. Then you will be able to learn numbers, strings, lists, and if statement, for statement, range, break, continue, pass, match, defining functions, then list comprehension, sets, tuples, dictionaries, looping techniques, more about conditions. Then you will be able to learn about the modules. The very amazing thing I personally like about the documentation pages is they are updating the documentation pages whenever they update the program. So you will be able to get about the knowledge of all the updates that they mention in the documentation page. So I personally believe any person can learn programming from the documentation page only. I hope you like this particular video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more amazing content and share this video with your all friends. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.